Hi friends, it's Deanna Williston again. I don't know if I'm going to be able to piece these videos together, but look, I got down to the main level, right? We had the lid to the SubPod, we had the divider piece. When I got down to here, I started to pull it out and look, it like legit snaps up. I am making the SubPod while still in the box. You just pull up the pieces one by one and snap it together. That's how quick and easy it is. Let's get out of the box. Look, I'm a wimp and I'm doing this with possibly not the recommended way. And I'm just dragging it out. So it's out sitting on the ground now. My husband did buy me 2 pavers. Oh my goodness, friends. They are literally leaning right behind the lid. I leaned the lid on the 2 pavers so that I'll be able to level this in the flower bed. Watch, see, there's even a handle there. Popped it up. Can I snap it in place? Maybe. I'm just kind of pulling it up for right this second because, let's see here. Here's the front panel. Here's my directions. These here are my worm mats. We're going to wet these down and put them on top of our worms to keep them safe. Do you remember at all, friends, when we were working on moving the compost and I found a section of wet newspaper and how many worms were on it? How much the worms love that? That's what these worm mats are going to do, but they're going to hold up a little bit better. Okay, there's some kind of parts here. Oh, these are probably the hinges. There are hinges to keep you safe. They help hold the lid up. You didn't smash your fingers. I'm famous for smashing my fingers. Yeah, look at these safety latches. Nice. And this is probably the directions right there. I'm going to have this assembled, friends, in 5 minutes. Okay, that's going to be easier. I'm going to have plenty of time for evening prayer tonight. Pretty sweet. I can spend the rest of my free time just like it says here. Once you've unpacked your SubPod, just start tearing that cardboard box up into small pieces and I'll be able to throw it in the bin. So, gosh, this is so much easier than even I realized. Super excited here. I'm super excited. I've been keeping a lot of the boxes from Christmas because I know I'll be able to tear them up and put them in here. The inner ring out of the toilet paper tube, that's going in here now. So many fun things. I'm looking around and seeing what else I can recycle. I've been watching the videos and they say things like even hair, so all of Rusty's hair when I brush him. You see him over there, friends? There he is. When I brush that crazy beast, I'll be able to put all that in and compost it, as well as we have one of those bagless vacuum cleaners. So as long as I'm just vacuuming up normal house dust and dirt, it can all go in here. This is going to be so much fun. You know, my son had worm composting when he was a kid. He had a styrofoam cooler that he kept wet newspaper in and the worms, and every now and then he would throw in some food scraps, and that's what led to the heap composting, which led to this. This is going to be so neat and easy and clean, friends. I'm so excited. See you soon.